Guys, all right, so I've been spending some time troubleshooting the Kenwood twins, and I was watching the radio shop, his video. You really can't find a pinout of the thing. So I've run into a couple problems. So first of all, this is a Trio 599. This is a Kenwood 599A. Okay, this manual here is for a T599A, which is what would have matched this receiver. Well, you see these extra knobs right here, the mic and the carrier level? We don't have them on here. They're inside the thing. So this is a 1970, this is a 1975, basically. So you can completely disregard a T599A manual when it comes to a Trio transmitter. They're not the same. They're similar, but they ain't the same. They've got extra stuff in them. There's improvements that were made to them. Okay, now here, we also have the wrong manual. This is the service manual. These are the notes the guy wrote down. This is for a R599S. Okay, this is not a S. This is an A. So this is, again, another worthless manual that doesn't apply to this particular unit. So the problem is that it won't transceive. Okay? And so I thought, well, maybe the cable's bad, maybe something's wrong with it, maybe it's plugged in backwards. So I went to this guy's website, sorry, YouTube, and I found this diagram. Let me scoot through it.
Connector when it's put together.
So it shows how
for the amplifier control, I will not be.
It shows it how they all go through there. And I checked them out. I'm like, okay, I've got wires on all those spots. They don't show you this in the manual. So I started coming over here and I started testing everything. You got to flip the covers, and so I'm like, okay, everything's good. And I come over here and I start testing. Pin 8, which I can't remember what it is. I think he said what it was. Pin 8. Anyway, pin 8 is over here, and it goes through. It's a signal from like one of the VFOs.
Running another amplifier with this radio. I didn't want just an RCA.
You got amp control.
Back, we can go and get something shorted out. So this one, the semiconductor is set back up in the plug, so I'm not to worry about that semiconductor really touching anything. And, SMA is the shorty cable that goes right on through to the receiver connector to pin 1. So I'm going to get all the shorty cables installed.
Anyway, I don't remember what he said it went to, but I was like, oh, I got no continuity. And I look down in here and I'm like, oh boy. So it's hard to see it. There it is. It's completely broken. So that's a problem. That's why it won't transceive. So I gotta get this apart, and then it should transceive. So we'll see if transmit and all that occurs on the correct frequency. But yeah, I knew something was funny because I was like, this is not transmitting. Interesting. So I gotta test the rest of them, but looks like just that one. So I'll have to squeak the cable out a little bit and then try and redo it.